Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'm excited to show you how to use Gmail's undo send feature to recall emails. So let's master the art of second chances. To begin, open up your Gmail inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner, click on it, and then select all settings. So navigate to the general tab, which is we're already here, and then scroll down. There you will find undo send option. So click the checkbox and choose how many seconds you'd like to have to recall an email. So let's choose 30 seconds. It's the maximum choice for undoing an email. So now we need to compose an email as usual. So, okay. First, we need to save changes before we compose an email. See, very easy, right? As you can see, we click the undo send so that we can undo the message that we accidentally sent. So with undo send, those hasty or mistaken emails become a thing of the past. No more fretting over accidental sends or forgotten attachments. And that's it. You've learned how to use Gmail's undo send feature to recall emails. This simple tool can save you from moments of regret. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Gmail's undo send feature. See you on my next video.